Hey, it's Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview for Enhancement 6. So when I go to my account and log in as an admin, it brings me to my admin page, and the differences here, you see that it now says you are logged in, and the client ID is gone, and then there's this link here to update account, and since it's the admin, they get to see the product management. So when I click on this update account, it brings me to this page using a name value pair, and I'm looking at the update account page. And when I go to validate HTML, I don't get any errors or warnings shown. And then just gonna go ahead and update this account here, do a little change. And when I update it, the success message shows your account has been updated, and then the change shows here, and then also if I refresh this, the change shows up right there. And then if I want to go and change my password, just do that real quick. It says your password was successfully updated. Good. And then if I look at the table and refresh, you'll see that my password is stored as a hashed password. And then I guess I'll log out and show that new email and new password works. Okay, and I'm logged in now. If I go to update account information just to show the validation, client side, this is working. If I were to just submit this email the same, I get this error, this email address is already associated. And then my server side validation, if there's an empty field, validate, update account, and I get this message, please provide information. And then if I were to submit just a normal password here, I get this client side. It's not the requested format. I'll try the no validate. And it says, please enter a valid password because it's not correct. So everything appears to be working. And I believe that's all for this enhancement. Thanks for watching.